All right, now I will move on to the next section. Here, I can add another one of my collections. First, I will name it New Arrivals. Next, I will click on this Choose Collection option and then add my shirts collection on this list. Lastly, I will change the heading size to large. Okay, this section is complete now. So, let's move on to the final section now. This is another multi-column section that we use to show the product reviews. You can also use this section to show your latest blog posts. But for now, I will simply delete this section. And just like this, we've customized all the pre-made sections of this page. The page is already looking very professional. Now let's say that you want to add more sections on this page. Go to this left menu and click on Add Section button. You'll find dozens of different sections that you can use on this page. For example, I want to use this collapsible content on my page, so I will click on it to add it on this page. Next, I can use this section as an FAQ section. So, I will change the heading to FAQ. Next, when you click on it, you'll see these options on the left side. You can add your questions in the heading part, and then add your answers in this raw content part. Next, I will select this entire section, and then I will change the color of this section. Alright, I have also added some content in this FAQ section. Now, I will add some more sections to this page. So, I will click on this Add Section button. This time, I will use this video section. If you have a video related to your products or brands, then you can use this section too. Here, I will remove this video heading. Next, I can upload my own video here. Or I can also use a YouTube video for this part. You only need to paste the YouTube video link here, and the video will be added here. You can also add a cover image on top of this video. You can use Canva to design a cover image too. I've already created a cover image for this part, so I will simply add it here. Now, whenever someone clicks on this play button, the YouTube video will get started. Next, I will also make this section full width, as it will look much more professional. I will also remove the top and bottom padding. Lastly, I will select this video section and place it below the featured collection section. Alright, now let's preview this home page in full screen mode. First up, we have this image banner with a button. Next, we have our best sellers. Next, we have the video section that we added recently. Next, we have the About Us tab, testimonials, new arrivals, and the FAQ section. This store is looking even better than most of the premium stores out there. All of this was possible thanks to Canva and the trade theme. Alright, now I will go to the top right and then click on this Save button to save all the progress we've made so far.